La exposición Joel Meyerowitz, Hacia la luz, recoge 98 fotografías realizadas por el fotógrafo en Málaga durante los años 1966 y 1967. Es un cuerpo de trabajo que realiza muy al principio de su carrera y por eso es muy importante, porque ya se pueden ver los rasgos de su trabajo. Joel Meyerowitz es conocido porque utiliza desde el principio el color y el blanco y negro simultáneamente, en una época en la que el color no era utilizado por los fotógrafos. Es muy importante también este documento que muestra una España en transformación en un momento de apertura hacia la modernidad bajo un régimen dictatorial.
In 1966 and 67, I spent 6 months in Málaga, living with gypsies, and every day I was out on the streets of Málaga, walking and photographing. My whole life was making photographs. And I saw so many interesting things on the streets of Málaga that described Spain to me. Probably not a fair description, but a powerful one. The way people related to each other, the religious iconography of the time, the fact that I was living and spending time with gypsies, real flamenco gypsies, cantejando, the pure flamenco. All of these things shaped me because I was a young man and I didn't have my form as a photographer yet. So Spain wrote on me. It told me its story in these photographs. And I think they cover, the life of the gypsies. There are photographs made from a moving car as I drove through Spain, and I took a risk. When something came by the window, I just went like that. I also photographed the street life of Málaga, and I also was looking at the way the state, Franco's dictatorship, the way it operated with the army and the Guardia Civil and the church. I looked at the interaction and the interrelationship of that, and it was shocking to me because it's not the experience that I had in America. This kind of energy and openness, where I could see 100 works, you don't know how exciting that is and how satisfying that is for an artist to be surrounded like that with the work.